So the client wants a project done, and my developer gave me an estimate of 180 working days. The client wants to start the project on 9th January 2022. When would it end considering Saturday Sunday as weekend and the standard US holidays? We can use the workday function which expects three parameters: the start date, which in our case is 9th January 2022, the number of days is 180, and the holidays are listed here. Excel gave a number as output. Let's change it to date. So September 22 is when the project would be completed. Workday function takes Saturday and Sunday by default as weekend, while workday.intl is an extension of Workday which allows us to customize the weekend. As we discussed earlier, some countries have weekends on different days and some companies have only one holiday. Let's take an example that the company has only one holiday a week and that too on Tuesday. We will use workday.intl for this. It accepts an additional parameter for weekend and allows us to choose a value based on our needs. Here we will select the option 13, which is Tuesday. Let's select the same holidays, and now with just one weekly off on Tuesday, the project will end on 11th of August. If you want to calculate the total working days between two dates, you can watch the previous video just in case you missed it earlier.